Anything you would like to achieve today? Comment below. Below you comment below. Comment below. Below we comment. Say something.
You're such like a little influencer. You know the voice they do.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Follow the road round, please. And you don't see them, you will fail. You can readjust, okay? Once, twice, possibly even 3 times, okay? If you can't get into the bay within 3 goes, you don't deserve a full driving license. You're a crap driver. We're turning left at the crossroads, please. Say hi.
Hello.
What's happening in just over an hour from now?
My test.
Your driving test. Say hi guys. 1 hour or just over an hour, I'll be doing my driving test. So what have you been up to this morning? How have you been preparing for your driving test this afternoon?
I was watching Show Me Tell Me videos.
Good.
And I had breakfast also, and then I went and rewatched the Show Me Tell Me videos.
Yeah.
And then, but I was pausing them before they said the answer.
Good, cool. Right then, look up there for me. Tell everybody, when is your driving test?
Tomorrow.
Why am I wearing a high-vis test? High-vis test. High-vis vest.
Because we're doing a mock, I'm guessing.
Because we're doing a mock test, okay?
Oh yeah.
So, how many lessons have you had up to now? In total, do you know? Can you remember?
I think I've had what, nearly 30 hours, something like that.
30 hours, that's not too bad, yeah. What's the UK average, okay, is 40 professional lessons, yeah, with an instructor,
Yeah.
and 20 with
Thanks.
friends or relatives, okay? So 60 hours in total.
It's not bad then.
No. That means you are above average, yeah?
Yippee.
Cool. So,
Saying that, I can't get the
start the car for me, please. So we always start off with the cockpit drill, don't we, yeah?
We do.
Let me just open my door because I'm a bit warm. Until you manage to start the car and the air conditioning on. Start the car for me, please.
It's not turning.
Why isn't it turning, do you know? Have you ever heard of a steering lock?
No.
Okay. When you take the key out of an ignition and turn the steering a little bit, it locks into place.
Yeah.
It's an anti-theft device.
Okay.
Okay? So that's one trick I've set up for you. I've set up 2. Okay? So when you first get into a car, you need to make sure that you're in neutral, yeah, and your handbrake is on. Now then, what you need to do is with your left hand, shake the steering wheel up and down like that and turn the key at the same time. There we go. That unlocks the steering lock.
Okay.
Start the car for me, please, because I'm starting to get a bit warm.
There you go.
There we go. Now then, air conditioning on. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. Before leaving the test centre, or in your case, the side of the road, because that's where the driving test is.
Yeah.
The examiner will ask you one of the show me questions, okay? One of the tell me questions. I beg your pardon. I wish if I'd have brought a brain with me today. Yeah. So I'll be asking you one of the tell me questions.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me how you would check that your direction indicators are working correctly before starting your journey?
You can indicate or put your hazards on and you go out and look to see what's doing.
Perfect, well done, very good. Right then, there will be a lot of rural roads, okay? So move away when ready, please. I'll try and do a mixture of lots of different types of roads. So I will be marking you now. So this is your final lesson before your driving test tomorrow, yeah? Dun, dun, dun.
Don't be saying it like that. Which way we go?
We'll turn right at the end of the road, please. Is there anything in particular you feel you need to be working on? drive too fast, you're going to fail, okay? If you drive too slow, you're going to fail.
Oh, I do want to double check your window washing stuff.
Okay.
Which
Take
one's
the
next?
next turning on the left, please. That's right, so it's mirrors before brake, eh? Not brake, then mirrors. Why do we check our mirrors before braking?
To see how it affects the person behind you.
Perfect. Look at that. Look at the situation you're driving towards. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. What gear? There we go. So we'll go round this car.
Which way are we going?
Although I think we're going left at the end of the road, please. I'm not sure. Okay, he's moving off. There we go. Nice clutch work. Well done. We're going left. Follow the road ahead for me, please. We will take the next turning on the right.
Am I at?
Then I would like you to find somewhere safe, legal and convenient to pull up on the left for me, please. There we go, thank you. Move away when ready, please. Straight ahead of the crossroads. We'll take the next turning on the right, please. And I'd like you to drive forwards into any of the bays on the left for me. So forwards bay park into one of those on the left. Why am I looking at you?
I need to look around. I've botched that now. Okay, I'm going to readjust. Where's he gone?
Have you seen the taxi? So the taxi was waiting patiently then. When did you see him?
As I was like starting to do it.
Okay, yeah. Like that. As you come into any car park, okay, you must be like a radar on top of a ship, yeah? Because if somebody comes into that car park behind you, you've got to be able to spot them, okay? Or a young kid on a scooter or something, and if you're going to do a reverse or a forwards bay park to the left, indicate left. Yeah? And then if another car does enter the car park behind you, he's not going to overtake you on the left like what he just did there now. He'll overtake you on the right, yeah? There we go. Move away from here for me, please. Before you go, read that word there for me.
Observation.
Read that one.
Observation.
Read that one.
Observation.
Read that one.
Observation.
What's the examiner looking for?
Observation.
Thank you. So, one minor for readjustments. It's still a pass, okay? What could have made you fail was that taxi, yeah? That's why observations are more important than getting into the bay first time. Okay, yes, it's nice to get into the bay first time, but think of it as a bonus point. Yeah, your observations are much more important, because if somebody else enters that car park behind you, or a little lad appears with a little scooter out of somewhere and you don't see them, you will fail. You can readjust, okay, once, twice, possibly even 3 times. Okay, if you can't get into the bay within 3 goes, you don't deserve a full driving license. You're a crap driver. We're turning left at the crossroads, please. I should say that in a more politically correct way. You are not a very good driver, and you need more practice. Because when you're driving forwards, where are you looking?
Forward.
Yeah. And if you're driving backwards, where should you be looking?
Backwards.
There we go. Follow the road round to the right for me, please. I'd like you to find somewhere safe, legal and convenient to pull up on the left. You choose where. You'll do a minimum of 3 of these on your driving test. Minimum. Give yourself marks out of 10 for that.
5.
Why?
Because I realised too late how far the white line was.
And anything else?
And I'm very gam.
Your arse end is sticking out into the road. What's that there?
Oh, driveway.
It's because somebody wanted to come into that driveway or drive out of that driveway. You failed, okay?
Yeah.
Now then, if you're struggling to find somewhere, just keep driving. Until the examiner has said to you, I'd like you to find. He hasn't said you must pull up on the left within the next 200 metres, okay? So you find somewhere. Get yourself out of this problem. I'm not helping you. So even if you go to the next road 10 minutes later, it's still your choice, yeah? And if you don't pull up on the left, what's the examiner going to do?
Give you a minor.
No.
No?
No. What will happen is, okay, we haven't pulled up on the left. Can you now find somewhere safe and legal to pull up on the left for me, please? Yeah. Or what they might end up doing is give you an actual place to pull up on the left, okay? So we'll go right, then left. So right at the end here, then left up that way for me, please. Right, then left. So just imagine you haven't pulled up on the left. Now we're going left here, okay? So what the examiner will do now, he will say, or she will say, okay, we haven't managed to pull up on the left yet. What we'll do is keep following the road ahead for me. Difficult, isn't it? Yeah. Keep following the road. No, we'll. That would have been a possibility, but it was just difficult there. Yeah. Keep following the road ahead for me. Then at the end of this road, we'll follow the road round to the left. A little bit close to that turning, but it's not an actual junction. There's no road markings or nothing there. There we go. Move away when ready, please. So when safe to do so, can you show me how you'd switch on the dipped headlights in this car, please?
I don't know.
That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. Ah,
I thought we went over a bird then.
bird.
Yeah, there's a little bird in the road.
What's that? it. So there's a switch on the end. Turn it 2 clicks towards the windscreen. That's it. That's the dipped headlights, and back off again. Making sure when you put the dipped headlights on that you're not on full beam. Okay. You know the blue.
Yeah, it'll come up.
That's it. Yeah.
Isn't that one of the tell me questions?
That's one of the show me questions while driving.
That's what I meant, sorry.
That's it. What were those 2 signs we just drove past? There we go. Stop driving like a little old lady. Although I know plenty of little old ladies who drive like psychopaths. 10 seconds ago you found out some news. What was the news?
A pass?
Don't worry, I'll blur that out, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Well done, you. So 3 minors, that's pretty good.
That's alright, to be fair.
2 for going too slow and 1 for not checking your blind spots when you're doing reversing, yeah?
Yeah. That was a really nice manoeuvre. Me
Any-
going too slow.
Any advice?
Chill, be confident, and listen to your instructor.
yeah. If it doesn't work first time, try doing it the way your instructor told you to do it.
Yeah, that is a good one.
There we go.